I've been successfully trapping turtles for 35, 40 years. What I like to do is take the 6-foot long piece of chicken wire and roll it up into a 2-foot diameter circle. So now I'll stand that upright, take the two ends together, and use your tie wire to tie each individual hole as you go up. So stitch from the floor up 4 feet. The remaining 2 foot, take your pliers or side cutters, cut each piece of wire all the way around. Now you have a 6-foot long piece of wire 2 foot wide. Lay that on the floor and flatten it out. Take your flat piece of wire and set it on top of the upper end of the trap, and now stitch that flat piece of wire to close off the upper end of your trap. Now cut off all the excess wire that sticks out beyond your circle. Now that you have that end closed off, turn your trap, put the closed off end on the floor. You got the open end facing up. You'll have a dip net. On the narrow end of your dip net, cut off approximately 7 or 8 inches. So you have an open end on each end of your dip net. Now you're going to want to take the narrow end of your dip net and set it down inside the cage. Once you have your dip net in place and holding there, now take some nylon string, trout line wire, that type of thing, and tie it off to the dip net and to the wire at the end of the trap. Now take your nylon string and weave it through your dip net holes and the holes on your wire cage, weaving your dip net to the top of the trap. So once you have that in place, now you're going to want to cut a doorway in the side of your trap. So now take your side cutters and cut 3 sides. Go approximately 10 inches on each side and about 16 inches parallel to the trap. This will create a flap that you can open up. Now you can stick your hands down inside the trap. So once you've done that, about 1 foot long pieces of nylon string, and reach up inside, tying one to each side of the narrow end of the dip net. Now you have a funnel. The turtle can swim in, but once he's in there, and he will not be able to get out. Take about a 2.5 foot long piece of tie wire. It's for your bait. Put it approximately 1 foot away from the narrow end of your dip net, and also 6, 8, 10 inches away from the end of the trap. And make sure that the turtle can't reach through the wire from the outside and reach that bait. He has to swim inside. Now you're ready to go catch the turtle.